Not Simba, yeah, with it's a generic kind of knockoff Simba plush. This DIY custom tutorial, whatever you want to call it, is for Spirit Mufasa. You can see he's all corpsed up and glowing into the afterlife. So if you ain't afraid of no lions or ghosts, this is the episode for you.
So you're obviously going to want a lot of blue. Having about 3 or 4 shades on hand for the project is going to be the way to go. And I use a little white metallic later on in the video too. So to start out with, you're just going to want a couple of nice solid base coats of a medium blue. You want something that's a little darker than a sky blue, but not too dark that it's going to offset the rest of the layers as the video goes on. Special cameo by Heat Tool for speeding up drying. Once you're comfortable with the base layers, you're going to take a darker blue and start doing the shading slash detailing. Go ahead and do the eyebrows and the nose totally solid. Do a few lines under the eyes. And then basically you're just going to go around the sculpt, and anywhere there's an indented line, you're going to fill the shading in with the dark blue. Next up, you're going to take a very light blue and you're going to do the highlights. So you can do a little bit of a curvature on the nose here, and you're going to come down the side of the muzzle or the snout and tap the top of the eyebrows too. And you're basically just going to go all over and hit any highlighted raised areas where it would make sense for the light slash cloud areas to kind of shine on his body there. Now I take a metallic white, and you'll see I started with a toothpick but quickly switched to a smaller brush to do the star effects on here. There's really no right or wrong way to do this at all. Just kind of do a couple little patches here and there. Mix up the size of the paint globs on the end of the brush so you get a nice mixture of shapes and sizes. Once I finish up with the brush, I do go back with a toothpick to do some smaller detailing here and there. The pearlescent or metallic features mixed in with the paint will give it a nice little shine as well once he's totally finished. And then I also, when he was totally done, to add to the illusion of ghost lion mode, was I covered him completely with a few layers of glow-in-the-dark paint after he was done, and you'll see the rotation here in regular light, UV light, black light, how he charges up and glows, and it's a pretty sweet effect.
So that is how you do it when it comes to Darth Vader CNN Lion. So that's that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to, check out the links below to all the other social media stuff. Follow me on Instagram if you would. That'd be cool. Like, subscribe, notifications, knock stuff over everywhere. It's a good time for everybody. Hakuna Matata.